Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see, energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. For some, there is a communication chance lots. If you are in separation, there is a chance for communication. So let's see what are the messages for you, Scorpio, and what's going on. See, it's your reading and it's your card. Three of Wands, Five of Cups, and the Moon, Six of Pentacles. So what I'm getting here, there is no equal give and take in this connection. Maybe they're treating you as an option, or they ignored you, they neglected you. For some third party involved in this connection, lot of illusions, lot of disturbances, arguments between you and your person. Yeah, right now for some you are in separation, one type of ending between you and your person. You are feeling sad and you're still waiting on them. For some, you turn your back from your person, but somewhere in you still wanting them back in your life. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. So let's see your reading, Scorpio. Recent past, death, Page of Wands and Two of Pentacles. So recent past, there was some communication happened between you and your person, but there is no clarity. Maybe regarding a commitment, regarding marriage. I think your person don't want to take responsibility. They are always in and out of your life. So you don't know which decision you have to take regarding this relationship you are juggling here, because they are not giving clarity to you. So then the separation had happened. Maybe it is one type of ending between you and your person. Then present Empress, Three of Cups and Ten of Cups. You are taking your control back. For some third party involved in this connection, you want this happiness from your person, Ten of Cups. But there is no clarity. For some, even though you are in relationship with this person right now, there is no clarity. Yes, you only the person always taking care of this relationship. Future, Ten of Wands, Emperor and Eight of Cups. So you're feeling overburdened. Maybe you have so much work to do, maybe family responsibilities. So you want to take your control back and see one thing, Empress and Emperor in one reading. Maybe you both are equal at every level. Maybe you both have ego problems to make a first move towards another person. And Eight of Cups, maybe for some you decided to walk away because due to over emotions, due to overburden, and it is become like hard work for you, especially Scorpio. That's why maybe you decided to move on for some, because it is become hard work. And the person involved in this connection could be lots of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, could be another Scorpio, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Knight of Cups, Three of Swords with Tower. Yeah, right now they're missing you so much, Scorpio. They are going through a lot. And Knight of Cups, they do love you and they have romantic feelings towards you. So let's see their current feelings and their intentions. Seven of Swords. Trust issues. Seven of Wands. See, guys, in my view, they are in and out of your life. Yeah, they are obsessed with you. They are very attracted to you. But this person may be not trustworthy. That's why you decided to walk away. Because Seven of Swords and the Devil. Still, they want to fight for you. But maybe this person is toxic for you and not trustworthy. What I am getting here. But they're thinking about you a lot. Yes, they're trying to come back. But what I'm getting here, this person may be not trustworthy. They're obsessed with you. So let's see their intentions. Sneakies. Someone is sneaky in this connection. Miscommunication, false communication, playing mind games. Three of Cups. Strong third party. Judgment, Eight of Wands and Ace of Swords. So they will communicate very soon. Lots of communication is coming and they're in the process of making decision. For some, maybe one person going through some legal issues in this connection. So there is communication with clarity is coming. Yeah. Right now they are going through some transformation. They're isolated from all and thinking about you a lot. Maybe about the situation. Yeah, they're obsessed with you. But at the same time, guys, once again I'm saying this person may be toxic for you. Yeah, but they're wanting reconciliation. Then it's up to you to accept or reject. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. For some, this person is very aggressive and dominant. Right now, they are stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot. For some, your person may be spiritually awakening regarding this relationship. In past, maybe this person is in and out of your life. Now, they are realizing your worth maybe. They did hurt you because Seven of Swords with the Devil. Definitely, they did hurt you. Maybe they now realizing what they did to you. And Three of Pentacles. Definitely, there is no partnership in this connection. But now, they want to collaborate with you and they want partnership. Yeah, they want rebirth in this connection, but totally the decision is in your hands. Scorpio. Yeah, for some you are in long distance relationship. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Sometimes you're feeling stuck. Yeah, I think you both are obsessed with each other. And you're both thinking about each other a lot. You also obsessed with them. You're also thinking about them a lot. Mirroring each other and you're feeling stuck. Maybe you're still thinking about them. You're still obsessed with them. You both are on the same page. Let's see mutual. Nine of Pentacles. Hermit. And Seven of Cups and Eight of Wands. Communication is coming, but at the same time there is some confusion. You both have some confusions. At the same time, Nine of Pentacles, you both want to be independent, want to achieve financial abundance and stability. And the Hermit. Yeah, right now you both are in separation and you both going through some transformation and thinking about each other a lot. Maybe in future you both will get clarity. Right now there is no clarity. That's why you both going through some transformation. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. And the person involved in this connection could be strong Capricorn or Virgo. Text is coming. Yes, lots of communication. Don't leave me behind. Long distance relationship. I have too much going on my life. And friendship, age difference. So the messages are text is coming. Don't leave me behind. Long distance relationship. I have too much going on my life. Friendship and age difference. For some you both have major age difference or less age difference. And for some you both are very very good friends, best friends. For some they are putting you in a friendship zone. Yeah. But communication is coming. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Work through your fears. New Moon in Scorpio. So if you have any fears regarding anything, you have to work through. You have to overcome from those fears. Surrender to the divine full moon. So if you have any problems but still you are not getting any results, so this is the message for you. Surrender those problems to the divine, especially when full moon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Please do share, like and subscribe.